return next to our series this week that we're calling The Power of Two. How doing two simple things can make a big difference in your life, from your health to your finances to the world around you. Tonight, a pair of easy steps that experts say could do a lot for the environment. Here's ABC's Dan Harris.
You are staring into the face of one thing scientists say you can do to fight climate change. Leave this cow alone and eat less beef. According to the United Nations, 18% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions comes from sending beef and dairy products to your kitchen table. Here's why. Cows are fed corn and soy, which are grown using fertilizers made from fossil fuels. The food then has to be transported to the cows, which requires loads of fuel. And those cows pass a lot of gas, which may sound funny, but the methane they release is 23 times more harmful than carbon dioxide. And then there's even more fossil fuel burned while slaughtering the cows, which involves heavy machinery, and getting the food to the supermarket and then to you.
It's a very high energy process. The basic problem is, we have turned the modern dairy and beef cow into a fossil fuel guzzler.
You don't have to give up your cheeseburgers, but if we all reduced our meat consumption by just 20%, it would be as if we all switched from regular cars to hybrids. It would also be good for our health.
Let's get your water temperature.
And here's a second way to help the environment while helping yourself. Get what's called an energy audit.
Seal here is broken.
Some power companies offer them for free. It could help you conserve energy by teaching you tips like these. Unplug your electronics instead of just turning them off, because those little lights and clocks eat up a lot of power. If we all did this, it could save the output of 17 power plants a year. If you have a refrigerator made before 1990, buying a new one would save enough money to light the average home for 4 months. And check this out, even those 2 steps alone could save you up to $250 a year. Climate scientists point out there is no quick, easy solution to global warming. This is such an enormous problem that it's going to require that governments all over the world attack it. But one person can contribute. In fact, this problem is so big, we may all have to make many real changes. Dan Harris, ABC News, New York.